Well, hey there, good to see you today. Hey, I'm going to do a candid video. There's nothing scripted here today. I just want to give you an idea about what I'm trying to do. So this, like I said, this video is raw. There's nothing special about it, no intros. I'm not doing any fun music or anything like that. But I just wanted to give you guys a real look at some of the things I'm doing, and what I'm trying to do is teach you some skills to become a craftsman, to be a woodworker, and to help your kids do the same and to spend time with them in the shop. So some of the things I'm doing as a YouTube creator is, I'm shooting videos, of course, and then I'm creating thumbnails. I'm trying to figure out some artwork for thumbnails. I'm writing a blog post, embedding the video in the blog post. There's a whole list of things that I'm doing. And amongst all of this, we homeschool our kids, and we have 4 kids, including a newborn. So things are crazy here at the house. And so I just want to give you guys a glimpse of my workshop today. So I love a clean workshop, and it's not clean at all. However, I did actually organize it yesterday, so it's way better today than what it was. But I'm showing you this because I want to give you a look into an authentic me, if you will, to show you that I don't have it all together. It's actually the opposite of that. But what I'm doing is continuing to move forward anyway. So every week, expect at least 1 video from me, and that will be also included in a blog post. Always know that on every Friday, you're going to get that video. I hope that you'll stick around at my snail's pace. I mean, I'm going really slow because I have to. I have a responsibility as a dad, and I cannot ignore that. But at the same time, I'm really devoted to showing you what I'm doing in the shop so that you can learn with me. So thanks for stopping by today, and I'm going to give you a look now at my shop. Okay, so starting out over here, let's see if I can back up just a little bit for you. I may actually edit a couple small parts just because of the tripod catching on things and trying to move around, but it won't be anything really content-wise that's edited out. But let's start here. So here's one side. That is a little sharpening table that I just set up because I went to a class to learn how to sharpen chisels and different kind of blades and things like that. So this is my shop. I have some cheap fluorescent shop lights. Yep, I don't have the awesome YouTube lights. I wish I did, but I don't. Here is my workbench today. And it's very difficult to get anything done with this in this condition. So I need to clean it off today, and that is my goal, and that's what I'll do. So just look at this. Yep, I'm totally not together. But that's okay because it's going to be clean and I'm going to continue to work. And then here's a little bit more of my basement. There's lots of tools kind of sitting around, stacked around. And let's just take a quick walk around. Okay, so just some miscellaneous stuff laying around that I use from time to time. Workbench, tools. This is actually a new sharpening grinding station I put together with a little bench, so we'll get into that more later. And then a bit of scrap wood over here. A very messy toolbox. And tools. Okay, so there you have it. That's what my shop looks like. And you know what? I'm going to keep doing these videos. I'm going to keep striving to do a better job each and every time. But that's what I've got to offer you. Moving forward, like I said, I can guarantee you a video every week. And I hope that you enjoy it and that you learn something from it. Nope, it's not going to be perfect. I'm not always going to release everything in order maybe as someone thinks I should, or I might not say the right thing on camera. I'm imperfect. There's a lot of things I'm attempting to do that I haven't done before, but that's kind of part of the fun, part of the experiment to see if it works. And if it does, hey, then if it accomplishes the goal that I have, then it worked. And then I can show you what works and what doesn't. So anyhow, I'm just being real today, being authentic. I hope that you enjoy the videos I'm putting out and that you will stick with us further to keep going, keep following what we're doing and learning. So thank you for watching. Appreciate you being here. And always remember life's most important order, at least what I think life's most important order is, and that's love God, love each other, and woodwork. We'll see you next time.